I beg to move an amendment to the proposed Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Amendment Bill 2025. An amendment to clause 4.31, which reads as follows. The nodal agency will be responsible for promoting the investment ecosystem in the state and taking up all activities relating to setting up industrial or service sector undertakings and the promotion of economic development in the state. This includes conducting investment facilitations, events, roadshow across the country and internationally, creation of land banks through direct purchase of land or other means, and setting up of offices. This clause may perhaps be deleted, in which it contradicts the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act 1971 to direct purchase of land in the state, which falls under the 6th schedule. At the outset, I would like to thank the Chief Minister for bringing the government's amendment, whereby deleting a certain section of this clause. So, before I proceed with my submission, sir, I would sincerely congratulate our Chief Minister for his newborn baby boy. So, and I would also like to appreciate the step taken by the government. I would like to express my happiness right from my heart when the government is taking this decision to delete. But let us make some submissions, sir. Why we stand to oppose the idea of land bank, creation of land banks, sir? The Chief Minister has explained that it will not contradict the provisions of the Land Transfer Act, the Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act. But sir, we feel that we need to read between the lines. When we look at the original act, Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act, here we will find the definitions. What does it mean by transfer? Transfer means the conveyance of land of one person to another and includes gift, sale, exchange, mortgage, lease, surrender, or any mode of transfer. And when we come to the definition of a tribal, it means a person belonging to any of the scheduled tribes. That means a tribal is being defined as a person. So here is the issue where the government is trying to create land bank. So may I get the clarification from the government? And the question here is that in whose custody these land banks will be kept or maintained? Because if it is a revenue land, then the problem may arise that the government may transfer. The government is not going to transfer this land to an individual, maybe to a company.